Marcus Aurelius, the great mind, once advised to look within, stating that within lies the fountain of good, which will continuously bubble up if one delves within. Stoic philosophy, with its vast expanse, has many teachings that guide individuals through life's challenges. However, within this treasure trove, there are lesser-known, profound, and transformative lessons waiting to be unearthed. Today, let's explore 7 such lessons that may be new to many but hold the promise of timeless wisdom and insight. Join us as we delve into these hidden gems and discover the richness they offer for our modern lives. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you liked the video to help spread Stoic philosophy further. If you're not subscribed yet, I recommend subscribing and activating the bell so you don't miss any videos. Lesson number 1, the Art of Stoicism, a philosophy rich in wisdom, has many teachings that have stood the test of time. Today, let's explore a lesser-known facet, the Art of Stoicism. While it may sound complex, its essence is deeply relatable and profoundly human. Originating from the Greek word for belonging or familiar, oikeiosis speaks to our innate drive to care for ourselves and others. It paints a picture of interconnectedness, bridging the love we have for ourselves with the love we radiate into the world. Reflecting on this interconnectedness, Marcus Aurelius once observed, "What is not good for the swarm is not good for the bee." This thought reminds us that our individual well-being is intertwined with the collective. By incorporating oikeiosis into our daily lives, we can foster empathy, harmony, and a sense of community. Lesson number 2, the value of ascesis. Diving deeper into Stoic teachings, we encounter ascesis. While the term might seem distant, its essence is intimately tied to our daily experiences. Ascesis isn't just about self-denial or asceticism. It's about the rigorous training of the mind and soul, akin to mental fitness. Musonius Rufus, a Stoic philosopher, emphasized that philosophy demanded action, not just intellectual discourse. Similarly, ascesis pushes us to engage actively with life's trials, transforming theoretical knowledge into tangible wisdom. By embracing ascesis, we can navigate challenges with resilience, adaptability, and inner fortitude. Lesson number 3, the cosmic perspective. Within Stoic teachings lies a perspective that is both humbling and empowering, the cosmic perspective. It's not just about understanding our place in the universe, but realizing the interconnectedness of all things and the transient nature of our existence. The Stoics believe that to grasp the essence of life, we must view existence from a cosmic scale. This perspective reminds us that while our individual struggles may seem overwhelming, they are minuscule against the vast backdrop of the cosmos. By embracing the cosmic perspective, we can approach life's challenges with calmness, clarity, and a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. Lesson number 4, the role of fate in personal growth. Among Stoic teachings, there's a perspective on fate that offers both solace and empowerment. Stoicism presents fate not as a predetermined path, but as a series of events that offer lessons, challenges, and opportunities for personal growth. While we may not have control over the events that befall us, we have control over how we respond to them. Fate serves as a catalyst for personal growth, urging us to confront challenges, extract lessons, and emerge stronger. By understanding the role of fate in personal growth, we can navigate life's uncertainties with resilience, adaptability, and a sense of purpose. Lesson number 5, the Dichotomy of Value. In an age where materialism often dictates our sense of worth, Stoicism offers a refreshing perspective on value. The Dichotomy of Value challenges us to discern between what is genuinely valuable and what is merely perceived as valuable. While external possessions may bring temporary satisfaction, true value is found in virtues such as integrity, kindness, and wisdom. By embracing the dichotomy of value, we can recalibrate our compass, ensuring that our pursuits align with our inner values and principles. Lesson number 6, the practice of prososhe. Navigating the intricacies of Stoic teaching, we encounter prosoche, a concept that resonates deeply with our contemporary quest for mindfulness and presence. Prosoche, often translated as attention, is about being morally and ethically vigilant in the present moment. It's the practice of being acutely aware of our thoughts, decisions, and actions, ensuring that they align with our core values and principles. By cultivating prosoche, we can navigate life with greater wisdom, clarity, and purpose. Lesson number 7, the concept of sympathia. Delving deeper into Stoic thought, we encounter sympathia, a concept that beautifully encapsulates the interconnectedness of all things. Sympathia recognizes that everything in the universe is interwoven, and our actions reverberate through this vast interconnected web. By understanding and embodying sympathia, we can recognize our role in the larger scheme of things, acting with intention, responsibility, and compassion. As we conclude our journey through these lesser-known Stoic teachings, let's pause and reflect on what resonated with us. What insights did we gain, and how can we apply them to our lives? By sharing our reflections and continuing this enlightening journey together, we enrich not only our own lives but also the lives of those around us.